Hey guys, how you going? Jono here. Look, we speak with customers every day, and one question that we get asked all the time is which mini ramp should I buy? Unfortunately, there's no set answer to that question. Everyone's situation is slightly different. However, here's 5 things to consider before buying your mini ramp. Number 1 is who will be using it and what's their skill level. If you've got young kids or if you're just getting started out, then a 2-foot mini ramp's a good option. But if you've been skating for a while, then a 3-foot or a 4-foot mini ramp, or possibly something bigger as a custom order, might be a better choice for you. Number 2 is where will your ramp be going? How much space do you have to work with? If it's going indoors or undercover, is there any height restrictions that will need to be considered? Number 3 is site preparation. If installing your ramp outdoors, is the ground surface relatively firm and level, and will any footings be required? Number 4 is budget. Obviously budget's always going to come into play. We have a range of ramps available to suit almost any budget, and the best news is that it's easy as to add on to your existing ramp down the track when funds allow. Last but not least is number 5, and that is to be sure that you're getting the best quality ramp for your money. You might have seen cheaper ramps available. Just a word of warning, a lot of these are made using cheap materials such as low quality plywoods and untreated timbers, and ultimately they're just not going to last. When you choose to buy your mini ramp from WA Skate Ramps, you know you'll be getting the best quality professionally built ramp available, made for your backyard and not in someone else's, and from an established business and a trusted brand. So anyway, that's 5 things to consider before choosing your mini ramp. Please feel free to share this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch. We're always happy to help, and stay tuned for more.